Hi, welcome to our channel. Today's tutorial is all about the brows, creating the perfect brow shape. So we're going to start off with just the outline. Creating the outline is going to give you the best look before you start to fill it in. Kind of like when you were a kid and you would color a picture and you would trace out the outline of the picture first and then fill it in really lightly. Same concept. So by filling in the eyebrow, now I'm just going to fill in the shape using short hair-like strokes to create a really natural brow. The next step is using the back of the brow pencil, which has a spoolie, to blend out the brow. This is going to give us a really natural hair-like look instead of it being so drawn on. So let's talk about the first step that we mentioned, shape. Creating the outline, you want to make sure that the outline is on the eyebrow bone, not under the eyebrow bone. Because if it's under the eyebrow bone, then it's going to look like there's a shadow and make your eyes look smaller. Don't worry if your brows aren't twins. They need to be sisters, at least a year apart type sisters. So in regards to blending, you want to blend the eyebrow in the front the opposite direction to drag the color to give it a really gradient look, and then over the eyebrow to create a really natural look. Using our cream concealer, I'm going to now go under the brow bone with an angle brush to create a really precise and I just got my eyebrows waxed look. With the angle brush, I'm just going to drag it and then blend it downwards. What I'm doing is just pulling it downwards so it looks really natural, and then using my finger to push in the concealer into my skin so it looks really natural and not like there's a white or a lighter piece of, like a lighter color under my brows. So by using my finger, I get to really warm it up and push it into the skin so the skin could absorb it. For a little extra eyebrow carvedness, I'm going to outline the top of my brow also to give it a really clean and even look as well. So this pretty much concludes our eyebrow tutorial. If you have any questions, please comment below. Otherwise, see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye. Are they okay? They look normal?
Look longingly out the window. Alright, now cut it out.
I'm done.